Number 7. Resistor of 10 kilo ohm 2 numbers. Number 8. Resistor of 220 ohm. Number 9. 12 volt DC light. Number 10. IR remote. You see in the video is called IR remote. Number 11. Connecting wires. Now let's start the project. First of all, we will take breadboard. Now, we will take the NE555 timer and install it on the breadboard like this. Now we will take a connecting wire and short the pin 2 and pin 6 with each other of the NE555 timer IC. Now we will take another connecting wire and short pin 4 and pin 8 with each other off NE555 timer IC, like this.